They don't do it in 38 degrees there. It's a normal heat, isn't it?
Yeah. There's one in the lens here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. It's near mountains as well. Good morning. Last day on this job. Feels well good. So as you've seen, gravel, resin, clean, just everything. Working his way out. I've just finished putting the gravel in here. Astroturf getting brushed up, and then the top patio, and then the driveway cleaning, and do. On it goes. But feels so good. This being finished. Does anybody watch this from the start? We need some more soil as well. Does anyone watch this from the start? It was just standard new build, little patio. Quite a big patio though for a new build. You don't normally get big patios. You normally get Six Flags. It's Red Row. I think they make an extra effort, but it was just turf, sloped all the way down there. We can see with that fence how it slopes. But yeah, this is it. This is the final bill. Extras that have been put on are the gravel, the fence down this side. Now, like I said on previous videos, we've got a lady that's coming up from Birmingham. She's the landlord, so we need to be there tomorrow, full stop, otherwise we'll lose the job. So it's worked out well, this job, to be honest with you. But as soon as that job, I think it's like a pack and a half in Indian, as soon as that job finished, coming and doing this fence, which is a lat fencing all the way across, which will just finish it off like it's just a bit high. All of this is supported, all land supported off the fence, but just looking over, it's a little bit high. And the guy's tall as well, so. But yeah, great job. Feels good. And we were saying, feels ages. What are we on now? 11th of Feb. I started this on the 2nd of January. Now we was off because of the snow. We went over to Preston, they had no snow, worked there for a week and a half and then come back here. So really, we're just coming up to 4 weeks. 2 men. It's not too bad, is it? It's not too bad for this size of a job. And the amount, I'd love to know, if we'd look through all of his receipts, how much hardcore we've bought as well. Because we have borrowed some hardcore in that corner. Where are we? In that corner and in this here, we have borrowed some hardcore in for definite. But yeah, just need to crack on. You know, the most annoying thing, I'm having to get these little things out. You can see them, little white bits. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm having to go through, just get all of them little bits out. It's the worst part of the job, to be honest with you. But yeah, it's a nice chilled one, really nice chilled one, which is what we like. So I'll catch you soon. Right, here we go. It is officially finished. How nice is that? So that's it. End of the job. Amazing feeling. Amazing. I love it. It has taken a while, like I say, but we couldn't help it 'cause it's snow, so we pulled off, went over to Preston, come back, and then the porcelain is a slow process. Slow process. There's 98 square meters here, but this is why people ask me, porcelain's cheaper. Why is it more expensive? And it's the time, the labour, the putting it in, making sure everywhere's 5mm and stuff like that. So, but how nice does it look? Looks amazing. And with porcelain, there's no seal in it or out like that either. So very good product. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you with some before and after photos, like just to show you where we've come from on this job. You're more than welcome to watch videos back from the start. 2nd of January we started this, so either watch them, but this will show you what it's like, or what it was like. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.